Then coming to an updated return, very important from exam point of view, guys, which is covered in section 139 subsection 8A. Very important, so pay attention. Yes. Any person who has already filed the returns within the due date or belated return or revised return, or a person who has not at all filed any return can file updated return within 48 months from the end of assessment year, guys. So please be careful. This is an amendment. Within 48 months from the end of assessment year, an assessee can file updated return. Hope you understood. Yes. See, updated return means you would have already filed something. Now you want to update it or change it. That is called updated return. But here they are also allowing whether or not the assessee has filed the original return, whether within due date or not, still they are allowing you to file updated return. Got it? That means you can file updated return even if you have not filed any return before for that respective year. Okay. Then the government will allow you to file updated return only if that updated return brings more and more revenue to the government. Because of updated return, if the revenue of the government will go down, means they will not allow you to file updated return. For example, in your updated return, if you are reducing your total income, or if you are reducing your tax liability, or if you are increasing the amount of refund, they will not allow you to file updated return. Same way, if you want to file an updated return and show loss, they will not allow you to file updated return. So you can file updated return only when you want to disclose more income, more tax liability, or you want to claim less refund. Okay. So there is some conditions here. Let us see. The provisions of updated return would not apply if the updated return of such person for that assessment year is a loss return. You cannot. Then, as the effect of decreasing the total tax liability, okay, or as a result in refund or increases in the refund, they will not allow it. It will not allow. Okay. Next, one more list is there. No updated return can be furnished by any person for the relevant assessment year where an updated return has already been furnished by him for that year. Means, guys, there is a concept of one assessment year, one updated return. That's all. Once you have already filed an updated return for a particular year, for the same year, you cannot file one more updated return. Okay. Second one is any proceedings for an assessment or reassessment or recomputation or revision of income is pending. So if there is any case pending against me for assessment or reassessment or recomputation or revision, then for that particular for which assessment is still pending or proceedings is still pending, for that year, I cannot file updated return, guys. Got it? Yes. And whenever an assessee is filing updated return, he is also supposed to pay something called as additional tax. He should pay whatever tax is still pending along with interest and late fee, and in addition to that, additional tax. Tax on updated return. Very important, guys, because there is an amendment in this provision. Tax on updated return is covered in section 140B. What is it? I will try to explain you. Yeah, pay attention, people. Yes. So let us take our previous year, which is 25-26. What is the assessment year for that? Assessment year is 26-27. I will go step by step. Guys, assume the due date applicable for me is 31st July of the assessment year to file my returns. So if I file it within this date, then no late fee, no interest. Whatever tax I'm supposed to pay, just pay it. Okay. If I couldn't file the return within 31st July, I can file belated return till when? Till 31st December of assessment year. Okay. Or else, sir, I have already filed the returns, whether within the due date or I have filed belated return. But there is some mistake. Can I file a revised return? Yes. Within what time? 31st December of the assessment year. Okay. So this is the maximum deadline to file belated return or to revise the return. But after that, if I want to change anything or if I want to update anything, what should I do? I have to file updated return. And the timeline to file updated return is 48 months totally from the end of assessment year. So for us, assessment year is 26-27. So the end of assessment year means 31st March 27. So from here, assessee will have 48 months time, which is equal to 4 years to file what? Updated return. But listen here. In the law, that is how they have given. Assessee has to file updated return within 48 months from the end of assessment year. Okay. But sir, can I file the updated return even during this period? Yes, you can file it. You can file it. But maximum time for you is within 48 months from the end of assessment year. So that means from year to year, I have a time to file updated returns. Once the door for revised return and belated return is closed, the door for updated return will open. Hope you got it. Yes. So that means from year, totally assessee will get 51 months time to file updated return. But please don't write this in your answers. In the law, how it is given is the assessee has to file updated return within 48 months from the end of assessment year. You guys also use the same in your answer. Okay. But I am just trying to explain you the concept. Even within this time also, the updated return can be filed, guys. Okay, sir. Fine. And when assessee is filing an updated return, he has to pay whatever is the amount of tax he is supposed to pay, plus interest, plus late fee, if any, along with additional tax, guys. Along with additional tax. And additional tax is levied as a percentage of tax plus interest. Tax plus interest. So whatever percentage we will discuss here, no, it is a percentage of what? Tax plus interest, guys. So come on, let me explain again. When assessee is filing the updated return, he has to pay whatever tax is still due along with interest for delay in payment of tax or delay in filing the returns plus late fee plus additional tax. And additional tax is charged or levied as a percentage of what? Tax plus interest. And how much is the additional tax depends on within what time the updated return is filed. Okay. Guys, this is the end of our assessment year, that is 31st March 27. So if the updated return is filed within 12 months of the end of assessment year, then the additional tax would be 25%. Sir, what if updated return is filed after 12 months but within 24 months, that is after 1 year, within 2 years, then it is 50%. Sir, what if it is after 24 months but within 36 months? Then it is 60%. Sir, what if it is after 36 months and within 48 months? Then the additional tax is 75%, guys. Any one will come, not all. Okay, it depends on when the assessee is filing the updated return, guys. Let me repeat. If assessee is filing the updated return within 12 months from the end of assessment year, then the additional tax is 25%. If it is after 12 months but before 24 months, then 50%. If it is after 24 months but before 36 months, it is 60%. Then if it is after 36 months but before 48 months, then it is 75%. And this percentage has to be applied on what people? Tax plus interest. Very important provision because this has been amended, guys. I feel somewhere it is important for exams. So please be very careful with this. I will explain this with an example. Okay. I have given this in the revision material only. So just observe. Assume originally the assessee has not filed any return. So he has not filed any original or belated return. Now, can he file updated return? Yes. So let us take a scenario. Assume as per the updated return, the final tax liability including surcharge and cess of an assessee is coming to 15 lakh. And he has already paid an advance tax of 5 lakh and TDS deducted on his income is 2 lakh. So how much amount is yet to be paid by him? 8 lakh. Assume as there is a delay in payment or delay in filing the returns, there is an interest limit of 80,000 under section 234A. And there is also a late fee of rupees 5,000. So now he is supposed to pay totally 8,85,000 plus additional tax. Plus additional tax. Additional tax of how much? Guys, please be careful. Additional tax percentage has to be applied on 8 lakh plus 80,000. That is 8 lakh 80,000. It will not be applied on 5,000. Now assume updated return is filed within 12 months from the end of assessment year. So what is the additional tax? 8 lakh 80,000 into 25%. Sir, what if it is after 12 months but before 24 months? Then 8 lakh 80,000 into 50%. If it is after 24 months but before 36 months, then 60%. If it is after 36 months but within 48 months, then it is 75%, guys. Got it? Yes. And please be careful. I have given all the four options here, but obviously an assessee cannot be covered under all four. So should he pay all this? No, no. Anyone, guys. Wherever he is covered. Wherever he is covered. So 8,85,000 plus additional tax. Any one out of this. Okay. Next. One more example. When original or belated or revised return is filed, assessee has already filed a return, but now he wants to change the figures in that, for which he wants to file updated return. So I have given an example here. Tax paid as per original or belated or revised return, including surcharge and cess, assume is 15 lakh. But tax payable as per updated return is 25 lakh. That means there is a short payment of how much, guys? 10 lakh. So now assessee has to pay along with updated return 10 lakh. And as there is a delay in payment of this, assume there is an interest of 50,000. Okay. Then there is a late fee under section 234F. If at all, if the original return itself was filed late, assume it was filed belated, then there will be a late fee under section 234F. Assume how much? 5,000. Let us take it as for belated returns 5,000. So now assessee has to pay 10,55,000 plus advance tax. Sorry, additional tax plus additional tax. So additional tax is levied as a percentage of what? 10 lakh plus 50,000. 10 lakh plus 50,000, guys. So let us see that. If the return, that is updated return, is filed within 12 months from the end of assessment year, then the additional tax would be 10 lakh 50,000 into 25%. If it is after 12 months but within 24 months, then 50% of 10 lakh 50. If it is after 24 months but within 36 months, then 60%. If it is after 36 months and within 48 months, 75%, guys. Any one of this. Any one of this. That is 10 lakh 55,000 along with any one of this has to be paid by assessee, guys.